welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, get your milk out, get your cereal out, because we're going to make a bowl of cereal. Now, I'm only kidding. We're going to make some Death by Chocolate Rice Krispie treats.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
What we're going to need, you're going to need yourself 10-ounce pack of mini marshmallows. Fresher, the better. You're going to need a pinch of salt, some vanilla extract, cocoa pebbles, chocolate peanut butter, chocolate chips that we're going to melt, and mini chocolate chips. Okay, to get started, you get your pan. Spray everything, okay? You want to spray your pan, and the pan I'm using is a little rectangle. So I would say it's about like, it was a 2.5 quart Pyrex pan. You could use a 9x9 square pan or whatever you got that's kind of comparable to this size. Okay? Remember, the smaller it is, the thicker, the bigger your crispy treat's going to be. Get yourself a nice medium pan that you could melt your marshmallows with and spray it good. You got your 3 tablespoons of butter. Let's get that nice and melted. Just make sure you don't have it up on a high flame, because you do not want to burn your butter. Okay, once your butter's all melted, throw in your marshmallows. You just stir in your marshmallows and melt them down. Make sure you have 6 cups of chocolate cocoa Rice Krispies. Get some vanilla extract, about a half a teaspoon, and then a pinch of salt. We're going to do 1.5 cups of mini chocolate chips. Give it a little mix with your hands. Okay? Mix that up. And now we're going to pour, oh, look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Now you just mix it all together. I spray my hands. Okay? Now I'm just going to make sure I got it all mixed in. Okay? Oh, some of them chocolate chips are melting too. Oh my God, this is going to be good, guys. I dreamed of this. I dreamed of this, guys. You know, because you always have regular crispy treats. But what about the chocolate? Oh yeah, this is going to make nice ones too, huh? Look at that. Look at that. You got that melted chocolate in there. Some chocolate chips in there. Oh my God, forget about it. I'm going to stick this in the fridge for a little bit to keep it nice and chill as we melt our peanut butter chocolate chips. Melting chocolate time. We got here some peanut butter chocolate chips. Well, chocolate chips and peanut butter chips. Forgot about chocolate peanut butter. Oh, I saw this, so forgot about it. I was just going to do regular chocolate, but with the peanut butter and the chocolate, So anyway, looking a little scruffy. I was thinking of maybe doing a mustache and beard or something. Who knows? But anyway, get yourself a nice sized pot with a metal bowl or a glass bowl that will fit right over it. Put about, I would say, 1 inch of water in it, 1 to 2 inches of water. We're going to pop that on here like that. We're going to put it on the stove, boil this water. Once the water's boiling, we're going to pour these in, and we're going to mix it and make some chocolate. just popped this big boy out. Look at this, very nice. It came out, I had to hold the pan a little bit, I tapped it a little bit, and then very easily it came out. Very nice. Make sure you spray, you gotta use that spray. Let's spray your knife, guys, okay? Don't forget to spray the knife. All right, chocolate is melted. We're gonna scoop some chocolate onto these. Plop that on there. Gotta work quick because this is starting to get hard already. You want a lot of chocolate on it, you put a lot of chocolate. We're gonna get a fancy. There's some of these on them, huh? Now, into the freezer. I call this the death by chocolate crispy treats. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Let me tell you guys, you're gonna love this. It is amazing. If you love chocolate, if you love peanut butter, you're gonna love this. Try it. Check it out, guys. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and follow us on TikTok. TikTok, brand new, coming at you. Frankie_meatball. So if you got a request, here's my email address. Email me your request. Email me whatever you want, guys. I'm telling you, barbecue season's here. We're gonna have the Frankie Meatball barbecue seasoning with barbecue challenges coming at you. Check out my guy, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band. Mama Jama's a rock. And I'm gonna tell you what, I can't stay here no more. I gotta eat this. Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.